Right, we're just in a quick drive here, the 1963 Lancia Flavia. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I normally wouldn't like white leather interiors, but bang on this one. First, difficult to find. Fully synchro mesh box. There you go. Just needs a knack. I'll hopefully taking it along some country roads in a minute, show you guys what it is like to drive this beautiful thing. Four speed, we're in fourth. It's got loads of torque. Quite a relaxed thing, but of course it's flat four and everything, so you'd think it would sing at the top end if I were allowed. Rides really well, actually. Let's foot down and fourth at 3,000. Yeah, he's got some oomph. 80 brake horsepower, I think. Oh, really strong brakes. Good strong brakes. Nice. It's crazy for a flat four. I wouldn't have thought you could just leave him in fourth gear below 2 grand in the 30 zone, but you can, you know, picks up really smooth. Second's really difficult to find after first. It's not straight down, it's kind of to the left a little bit. Interesting. I so want to rev it more than that. It's a really long throw gearbox, so you really do have to plant each gear. Front end feels really good, actually, like really nice and supple, but not, it doesn't roll too much. Feels that the back end is the weak link, maybe. I don't know, I haven't really driven it fast enough yet, I guess. Please, Italian car. I don't. Oh. It's like a beautiful Italian woman, isn't it? You know, it's got the loveliest motions when it's happy, and the most unpleasant motions when it is not happy. I think the clutch has issues. Solution is turn the engine off, stop all the gears whirring around, find second. Yep, there you go. There's a bit of movement there. And wait with the key in the ignition when the light goes green. Oh, well, there you have it. A bit of flavour of the Lancia Flavia. Beautiful car, really. It's been an absolute joy to drive. Kind of wish I could have taken it to the top end of the rev range and had it sing, but it's been just enough to drive it as much as I did. Yeah. If you like this video, watch some of the others, and you know, like, comment, and subscribe, please. Till then, we'll have more videos coming along pretty soon. Cheers, guys. Ooh.